What up?
So how's it going? I'm Andrew, this is Luke. We are here in Apple Valley, and Luke has got some new tires that he's
Wheels.
Show you guys. Wheels. What am I saying?
I already got new tires.
Wheels.
But
Get it right.
This is my 2006 Chevy Cobalt SS. I have drag matte black 69s on right now. They're a pretty good wheel. I sold them to my buddy Ty. If you're watching this, shout out to you because these are going on your car in a few weeks here. But they're coming off, and I've got my TSWs right over there, and we're putting them on. They are 18 by 8. They are TSW Ravages. They're the black with the machine lip finish. So I'm really pumped for these. I've wanted them for a long time, and yeah, we're just gonna get to it and get these things done.
Hopefully you guys like the edit. Let's get to her.
And that is, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me, can say. More than I can say, do it to me, can say. More than I can say, do it to me, can say. More than I can say, do it to me, can say. More than I can say, do it to me, can say. More than I can say, do it to me, can say. Love so bad, 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 love so bad. Do it to me once again. 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 Move a little bit closer. Do it to me and say more than I can say. Do it to me and say more than I can say. Do it to me and say more than I can say. Do it to me and say more than I can say. Do it to me and say more than I can say. Do it to me and say love so bad, 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 love so bad. Do it to me once again.
Alrighty, so we are all done finally. He's got his wheels on his car. You like him, right?
Oh, dude, I'm so pumped for
I
them.
like him.
Yeah.
So
I am really pumped for them.
thank you guys for watching. Maybe more to come. May have a review coming in here soon on some Ford. See if you guys can get turbo.
Might be a hatchback.
Yeah, give it
Anything.
away.
I didn't say anything.
Do it to me once again.